In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trip in WP Travel Engine and add it to your pages. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll be able to showcase your trip seamlessly on your WordPress site. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, head over to the menu on the left side of the screen, click on Trips, and then select Add New. This is where you will set up your new trip. You'll be greeted with a new page, and now it's time to enter your trip title and description. Think of a catchy name that will grab attention and craft a detailed description that conveys all the exciting details of your trip. This is your opportunity to really sell the experience to potential travelers, so make sure it's enticing and informative. Next, it's time to fill in the trip settings. This includes the duration of the trip, the group size, the price, and a unique trip code. These details help customers understand what to expect and your business to manage bookings efficiently. Ensure each field is filled accurately to avoid any confusion later on. Once that's done, you'll want to add itinerary details, trip facts, and a featured image. The itinerary provides a day-by-day breakdown of activities, the trip facts give key insights into the adventure, and the featured image is what captures the eye initially. This image should be high quality and representative of the trip's highlight. After uploading your image and ensuring all the details are correct, choose the trip category and trip type. These categorizations can help travelers find your trip based on their preferences. When you're satisfied with everything, click the Publish button. Congratulations, your trip is now live on your site. But we're not done yet. The next step is to display this trip on a page. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Pages, then click Add New or select an existing page that you wish to update. In the page editor, locate the plus block icon. Click it to search for WP Travel Engine Trip or the shortcode block. This is a crucial step as it will enable you to insert the trip information directly onto your page. Add the shortcode WP Travel Engine Trips to your page. This will display all the trips you've set up through WP Travel Engine. Finally, once the shortcode is added, click Publish or Update to save the page. After publishing, take a look at your page to see your newly created trip displayed there. Enjoy showcasing your exciting travel itineraries to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a trip using WP Travel Engine and added it to your WordPress pages. This setup allows you to manage your travel offerings effectively while providing a seamless experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy travels!